Top off for the cash over the 10X. What a powerful, finally! Who deserves a 10X on a cash flow?
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
High school, yo, that's wild. Skill, we have Massey and 500. Yeah, top 3 winners enjoy. Let's spin again, my lords and my ladies. That was a 5 there for you, yeah? Yeezy saying, man, what's up? The ceiling. Nothing much, mate. What's up with you? You doing okay? It's your boy Bazzy. Spinning wins on crazy time. I'm here to like cover for Andy when he's not here, guys. 5x crazy time. No way! No way! Ladies and gentlemen, y'all better get out of your seats and scream from the top of your lungs. Basil's gonna make us rich, baby. Get in, my lords. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, Bazzy's here with ya. 5x crazy time. This is gonna be a crazy, crazy time. So, ladies and gentlemen, make your decisions. You gotta choose which team are you gonna be a part of. Team green, blue, or yellow. Y'all already know which team I'm on, guys. Look at the blazer. Look at the color of the blazer, guys, yeah? Okay, seems like the majority has went with team blue. Okay, guys. Here we go. 500 max multi. All right, let's get it, bros.
This is the amount of money issued 461,250 for euros.
Would you look at that? Team Blue, y'all better make some noise. 250 for Team Blue, 75s for the Team Green and Yellow. Okay, sorry guys. Haha, we have Thomas and 2 top 3 winners, guys. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful stuff, if you ask me. Bazzy's done it, guys. And yet again, you said I ain't no Mr. Bonus. See, guys, came in clutch. Yeah, Andrew Buzz Driver Rage Machine, top 3 winners from that crazy time. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so.
MCS with the highest cash results. Congratulations. Betting time is open now to play available. Check a question mark icon to know more about this game. Oh, papa. Good to hear that, TS. Good to hear that. Last crazy time, 10, 25, 15. Oh, speaking of crazy time, that segment gets a 5x from top slot. Oh, come on, we can do it, guys. Come on, please, just don't flip over to the one or something. Yes, 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 yes. We got it. 5x in the crazy time bonus here. So let's multiply that wheel first before we get your multiply. Here we go. Now you get to choose your flapper. Pick wisely. Pick carefully. Take your time. You got green, blue, and yellow to choose from. Also, the atypical feature if you don't care at all. I mean, how could you not care? But, I mean, everything can happen in this life, I guess. All right, guys. So, 500X somewhere there in the wheel. Let's see if we can get that. I go with the green, as always.
This is the amount of money issued 838,051 euros.
Woohoo! Green and yellow flapper, look at you! 250 extra, 75 from blue. Well, 5,700 wins altogether. Incredible. Spinner, you got a top winner with 62,000 euros. Madrid and Earth got a second, third place. Oh! Woo!
72 winners. AB and LV are top 3 winners, which you have like now. Let's see how the next round goes. Hopefully we'll be nice and lucky. Come on. Let's close. Let's go. 10x and crazy down. Gone. Woohoo! Let's go, Screw! Crazy down with a 7x. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go in. Come on, join me. Well, that was beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let's multiply everything with 7x. I know, Danya, you were the one. So green flopper, blue flopper, yellow flopper. You can choose which one. Let's hope for double triples, you know. That would be great. Woohoo! Let's see. Come on, exactly. Come on, sister. Can we get the doubles and triples? Well, of course, can you. The biggest is 700x. Let's go. Come on. Oh, man. Can we get please doubles? Just give us one, at least one.
This is the amount of money issued 1,128,368 euros.
105, 140. Congratulations. So, Garbs and Jacob score and Elver took 3 winners which we have like going. Let's see how the next round goes. Hopefully it will be nice and like go on. Come on.
And over 1,300 players. Here, compliments to you. Trust me, it's not because of my looks. It's not because of my looks. It's because I'm insufferable. I'm joking. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm not sure. You know, I should give you reviews probably and better clips. Yeah, kind of. It's been a while. It's been a while. 25x right now for segment 10 from the top. So, thank you so much, everybody. BetLogs. Hi.
This is the amount of money issued 133,716 euros.
We have, do you see that? We have number 10 with that 25x. Wowza. Congratulations to the winners. Raj, the top round winner, got an over 7.
By the way, Chocolate, surprise, surprise, we still haven't hit a coin flip. We still haven't hit a coin flip. Can you imagine? Pachi King. How long are you looking for? Like overall or this day? That's close. Okay, start with a 3x top slot. Hello, Nico Robin. Oh, we give it. Okay, we got a crazy time with a 3x top slot. All right, let's go. Boom. I'm free. All right. And welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the biggest win that we have. As you can see, it's pretty huge. It's pretty huge. Of course, we got it with a 3x top slot as well. Things are heating up. Whew. Maybe I need to call someone to make it cooler in here because the 3x top slot is just, you know? Boom. All of the multipliers have been tripled. All right, decision time. Pick green, blue, or yellow. If you don't pick, the auto pick will pick for you. Can we go back 1 minute? Oh. Hey, I wish. Blue side is the popular one. As I can see, 300x is the max one. Let's go. Boom. We got a double on the blue, 45 on the green, 45 on the yellow. All right, all of the multipliers have doubled. 600x is the max one. Let's shake off those nerves and let's press it. Let's go. Another double. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, ho. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. Again, shake off those nerves. Shake off those nerves, guys. Come on, press it. 1200X max 1. Let's go. Oh, whoa, whoa, what's happening? What's happening? Whoa, double again on the blue, triple double, baby. Plus a 3x top slot. 2400X max 1. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 45,225 euros.
240X on the blue. Hey, not bad. Not bad at all. Still. 911 winners. Very, very nice. Congratulations to all of you. Hi, I'm back. Hey, it's still not bad. It's still absolutely not bad. Could be better, yes, but hey, how much that was? 250? I love you, man. I love you too. That's close. Well done, Blue. Chocolate, which color?
Ooh, Mamma Mia. And U45 on the top of the list. So place your bets one more time, ladies and gentlemen. And I think we need to get a big top slot for this one. Come on. It's been a while indeed, Rutger. But it's all close. And let's get it, everybody. Let's get it. 5x for the crazy time. That's the top slot. Could we possibly get it? Oh, come on. It's coming close. It's coming close. We can do this. Could we? Come on, just clutch it. And boom, we did get a 5x top slot for the crazy time. Now, that is pretty crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Woohoo! Please join me, everybody. Let's go. Yellow. 5x top slot for the crazy time, man. We just got it, babies. We just got it. Now, let's go big. Rutger, you're going big this time. You're calling out every shot. Every bonus round. He's like, Pachinko? Let's get it. Crazy time? Let's get it. Boom. I think you're onto something, brother. All right. Let's see the biggest number. What is it going to be? Ooh, green, blue, yellow. Your choices, ladies and gentlemen. Sugar Boo, you know the drill. You know how this goes. Now let's go triple and then go massive. 1000X, that's the biggest one we can get, everybody. So let's go. Indeed, Roger, you're really good at this one.
This is the amount of money issued 170,839 euros.
And boom, baby. We go big. 75X for the green, 250 for the blue, and 100X for the yellow. So congratulations, 3,837 winners in total. Man, that's pretty sweet. That's pretty sweet. Of course, it could have been massive, but hey. This is just the beginning of the session.
Let's get everyone. Crazy time with a 7x, everyone. Okay, let's go. Crazy time. Woo! Crazy time, these 7x, everyone. Go. Welcome, everyone. Can you believe this? Multiplying all the multipliers now by 7. So we have double on the wheel. Now you can place your bets on the green, blue, or yellow. You can use auto pick if you want. Ready, ready, ready. The highest win is 700. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 105,613 euros.
Congratulations! Wow, 105, 350, 105. Success are Win, Vicky, and Bats. Welcome back, everyone. That was amazing. Place to bets. That was 105, 350, 105. Ivy bets place, everyone. Lucky Blue that time.
Here to win. Welcome, ladies and gents, to the crazy time. Loves is still here, still alive, and there we go. The man is spin. Top off for the cash going for the 10X. Yeah! Yes! Yes! Yeah! Woo-hoo! The king is back! Yes! 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 Bam! Yeah! Woo! Wow! 10X to the top spot! Woo-hoo! What a powerful! Finally! We deserve the 10X on a cash flow! Mwah! 1000X, the highest one! Woo-hoo! So I can... Whoa, time to make the powerful shot. Whew. It takes me a lot of energy, you know, to catch that cash out. Ooh, there we go. It's that time to take the weapon. Take the shotgun, the most powerful weapon, the gun, what do you have? And just make powerful to get that 1000X. Listen to your heart or use auto pick option. Come on, come on, come on. Show me where you're hiding 1000.
This is the amount of money issued 80,115 euros.
Words. Count the best we get the winners with the samples with us with the 1000X. Just Bobby's the king. Who's the king? The Bobby's the king. Wow. What a juicy win. Woohoo!
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.